Welcome to this Sanford Inspire tutorial. If this is your first time visiting this website, you'll want to start by setting up a free account. I'm not going to walk through this part here since it's pretty self-explanatory. But once you've set up an account and logged in, you'll want to access the Sanford Inspire option, since these are the modules that we'll be working through as a part of induction. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the Sanford Inspire dashboard. The first step once we're here is going to be to find the modules available that we need to complete. Sanford Inspire has literally hundreds of modules, so we need to be specific in identifying what we're searching for. And I've actually pulled up the list of 6 modules for the first induction checkpoint, and I'm just going to start by searching for one of them, creating logical consequences. And hitting enter. This will pull up for us the module that we need. Then I'll select it. And from here I can do one of two things. I can go ahead and start the lesson, or I can bookmark it in order to come back later. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and bookmark it. And in order to access all the modules I need to complete, I can do one of two things. I can go back to the dashboard and continue searching for each course. Or, since all 6 of these first modules are part of the same unit, I can look in the left side of the page to find all the courses I need at this location. For example, Understanding Consequences is also one of the 6 courses I need for the first checkpoint. So I can just click on that course and then bookmark that one as well. And the easiest thing to do might be to go ahead and start by bookmarking all 6 of the courses that you need right off the bat. Once I bookmark the courses that I'm going to need to complete, I can access them by going to the My Reports and then selecting the bookmarked link. And here I can find all of the courses that I've bookmarked in order to go back and start working through each of them. It's worth noting here that I might recommend having the reflection sheet up once you start working on these modules, so that you can answer the reflection questions as you go along in each course. Now, while these modules don't take very long to complete, if I find that I've started a module and I don't get finished, I can always pick up where I left off by going to the My Reports link and then clicking In Progress. Here I can find all the modules that I've started and select Resume in order to pick up where I left off. I know it says Start Lesson here, but when I select this, it's going to pick me up wherever I left off.
In order for the social contract to have meaning, however, students must be held accountable for upholding these rules and expectations.
So another item that I want to show how to do here is how to access the certificates once you've completed your modules. Once you're in My Reports, you can access any 3 of these options through the tabs that are found at this location. Or I can always go back up to My Reports and select any of these In Progress, Bookmarked, or Completed options. Here, I can view all of the modules that I've completed and view the certificates for each of these courses. This is what you'll want to download and save in order to submit on your Blackboard page to show completion of this assignment. Once I've pulled up the certificate, I can just click the download button and save it to my computer in the location of my choosing. So this is a basic overview of Sanford Inspire, including how you can access and complete the necessary modules for induction. If you have additional questions or run into any challenges, you can reach out directly to your school PDF, your mentor, or your TDS specialist to help you walk through any follow-up questions you might have.